need the noise to feel my ground. I've learned my strength in staying sound. I let the moment come and go. I walk my path at my own slow.
Strength is breath and open hand. Knowing when to make your stand.
I stand, I bend, I stay aligned. I feel I move with steady mind. No rush, no fight, no need to prove. Still I stand, still I move. I've held weight, I've let it pass, kept what stays, release the rest. I don't hide what I feel inside, I just let it breathe before I decide. I stand, I bend, I stay aligned. I feel I move with steady mind. No mask, no fear, no borrowed truth. This is strength that's calm and true. Soft is not the end of strong. Still